In this tutorial, I will demonstrate how to seamlessly merge data from various sheets using Power Query in Excel. To successfully combine data from different sheets using Power Query, it is essential to organize the data within Excel tables. If your data is not structured as an Excel table, this method will not work. To convert data into a table, simply select the cell and press Ctrl+T. Suppose you have 3 different sheets. Each of these worksheets has the data in an Excel table, and the structure of the table is consistent. The headers are the same. Let's give names for the tables. It's better to have names for your Excel tables, as it's more convenient to use when the tables are named. I suggest naming the tables in accordance with the respective sheet names. To combine multiple worksheets with Excel tables using Power Query, navigate to the Data tab. In the Get and Transform Data group, click on the Get Data option. Choose the From Other Sources option. Opt for the blank query selection, which will open the Power Query editor. In the Query editor, type the following formula in the formula bar. Excel.Current Workbook. Press the Enter key. This will show you all the table names in the entire workbook. If you want to combine specific Excel tables only, then you can click the drop-down icon in the name header and select the ones you want to combine. To make sure you only combine the tables from the worksheet, you need to filter only the tables that you want to combine and remove everything else. Click the drop-down and hover the cursor on Text Filters. Select the Contains option. In the Filter Rows dialog box, enter data and underscore sign in the field next to the Contains option. As all our sheets names start with data and underscore, click OK. In the Content Header cell, click on the double-pointed arrow. Select the columns that you want to combine. If you prefer combining all columns, ensure the Select All Columns option is selected. To retain the original column names, uncheck the Use Original Column Name as Prefix option. Click OK to confirm. Following these steps will combine the data from all the worksheets into one single table. The last column was added. It has the name of the Excel tables that we gave in the first step. Here are a few modifications you can do to the combined data in Power Query. Drag and place the name column at the beginning. In the Higher Data, I want to show only dates and without the time. To do this, click the Higher Date column header, go to the Transform tab, and change the data type to Date. Let's change the data type in the Annual Salary column. Right-mouse click on the Salary column and select Change Type. And choose Currency. Click Replace Current. Now, you have the combined data from all the worksheets in Power Query. You can load it in Excel as a new table in a new worksheet. To do this, click the File tab. Click on Close and Load to. In the Import Data dialog box, select Table and New Worksheet options. Click OK. And now we have all 3 sheets combined. If you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.